That one thing that brings you joy, happiness, you love it. What happens when your feelings change on it? Let's talk about it. What's going on, everybody? So, I was having thoughts the past few days about something, and it's something that I actually love to do, something that I've been into since I was probably like a teenager, maybe even before that. But it seems like, I don't know, maybe like the past few years, maybe the past the past year so far, like mainly. But past few years, I haven't been so passionate about it, and it's actually becoming a burden, right? What the hell is elevated talking about? So anybody that knows me, in real life, everybody knows like I love cars. I've always been the type I like to problem solve. I'm good with my hands. I like fixing things. I got that from my dad. But it seems like lately, anytime somebody starts talking about their damn car and shit like that, like I really be starting to get pissed off. Like I wish people would leave me alone. You know, because it's one of those things where every time let's say somebody needs me to fix something on their car. Now I come in, as soon as I touch your car, loosen a bolt, anything like that, now whatever problem that was there is now my problem, right? And it seems like it's always somebody needing something done, or they'll ask me a million questions and I'll fucking tell them. But it's like, yo, well, could you just fix? All right, just shut up, leave me alone. I will fix it. And then I always put my damn foot in my mouth. So it's just like, damn. So, what is the issue here, right? First of all, in my eyes, a lot of times it's not worth my time. Then a lot of times, if somebody's telling you something is going on, they don't even know the true story when they're telling you, what happened when the problem occurred. So now it's like I'm trying to guess. That's not cool. So let's say you was driving and damn, you might have hit a pothole or something, right? But all you noticed was that 5 minutes down the road, now you start getting a wobble. You're not gonna tell me you hit a pothole hard as hell, are you? No. You just gonna tell me that you started getting a wobble in something. Okay, like is it the front or the rear of the car? I don't know. Okay, well, does it happen at low speed or high speed? I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Or like you try to guess and say something, and now I'm thinking one thing in my head, but you can't even pinpoint, where the noise is coming from, the vibration, things like that. And so now if I try to find a problem, I might be working on a whole different section of the car than where the actual problem is. I had to diagnose the car. I had to fix it, had to verify it. And for the money that I charge people, like it's not even worth it. Let's say let's say I charge $75 for something, right? A lot of times I gotta go drive to a person's house and stuff like that. Gas, my time, then to fix the car, like $75. I can make that sitting in my basketball shorts in front of my computer within minutes. You know what I'm saying? So I think the problem here is trying to people please. Now, yes, I've had a live stream discussion about people pleasing, and once you get fed up with that, now you put your boundaries up. Had a live stream discussion about that also. So now you set your boundaries up, and you don't want to take on people's problems. Now you acting funny. Oh well, I just don't want to do it, and I'm not going to do it because I don't want to do it. You know, at the end of the day, people going to talk about you regardless. You could be trying to people please, till you blue in the face. You could do 1,000 things for somebody. That one time you say no, now you a bad person. Oh well, so be it. I'm still not doing it. If you feel like somebody is only gonna rock with you because you have to be a yes man or a yes woman, do you really need this type of person around you and in your energy? No. Because if you needed something, I'm sure a lot of times people are going to either tell you no, they can't do it, or they just not even going to respond to you. It's a shitty world that we live in these days, but it is what it is. I know I've been rambling on. I hope this video helped somebody. I hope somebody, understands. Everybody take care.